welcome to another Rest Adventure. Today, my team wanted to play just for a casual game and just to chill and
Yep.
relax. Sit back and enjoy watching. Also, please don't forget to like and share the video. So ba yung maputing naked dyan sa... Dito ako sa... Lumabas ako ng ferry. Dito ako sa may... Papasok sa may D6 na logo. Sa kabanda. What the freak? Bakit nagpo-post yung server? Nagpo-post din ba kayo? Ito itong negro? Throwing bandana. Tayo makapag... What the? Wala mo yung ano? Plot? Yung stone mo? Kuha ka lang ng puno mo. Ay, ito. Bibigyan kita. Come to me, baby. Kailangan natin mag-boat. Bababa tayo, papuntang large facing. So, can we find a boat? Yeah. I'm game. Yep. Grab life. Marunong ako ba mag-grab sa... Uy, may tao dito. I think I can kill this kid. Ah, bruh. May review yung kasama niya. Wala naman. Nothing special. We can. Pwede tayo dito. Mas malaki ang gagalawan natin dito. Yeah. What? Tapos gawa ka rin ng ano mo. Shock. Pansamantala. Para dun ka mag-depo. Tamang tama oh. Pwede dito din oh. Binabaril ka? May bag ka ba? Pwede dito din. Ito sa area na to, K3. May bag ka naman eh. Free TC. Pwede na to, secure ko to. Huwag ka muna mag-spawn. Sunog. Buti yung shock ko hindi nadamay. Yung akin hindi. May shock din dito ah. Sa'yo ba to? Let's go towards M3. Kailangan natin ng shotgun. Kaya iyo ka. Kaya lang madalas yung iyo ko pumapalya eh. Nalagyan lang ng temporary base natin. Bro, may kumukuha ng trio ng base na gagawin natin. Ah, ang dami! Huwag kang sumunod. Huwag ka sumunod. Ang dami. Nakamotor pa. 5. 7. Oh no. Buti hindi ko dala lahat. Hindi ko alam. Mga bulag yata to. Wait lang ah. Oh, palapit sila dito. Yata. Oh, palapit nga mahabol din. Alis na tayo. Ang ina din. Ang dami nila. Ang dami nila din. Oh my god. Should I make a temporary base here? Hindi, dito lang. Sa may tatago natin. Temporary lang. Malapit dun sa shock. Hindi naman masyado. Tago ko na lang muna dito. Temporary base. Here we go. Gamit sa shop. Tapos let's go cargo. Dami nun. Mag-recycle tayo ng metal din. Dito kami sa ano? Tara din. Dalihan mo lang. Kasi kailangan makapwesto agad tayo dyan. Oh, 5. May makikita ka na parang alam mo yun, yung parang gitna ng kagubatan na may brutalist na 2x1. Tapos yung door, single door na Rastoria, parang ganon. Malapit na yung cargo. Tatawid na ako Dane. Wala lang walang patayan ng teammate Sakay ako dito sa container. Nakuha nyo? Nice. May fighting chance. Green burlap ako, huwag nyo akong papatayin. Nasa harap yung crate. Boarded ako. Sa ilalim na ako. Medyo bad yung position ko. Nandito na ako. Wait. Nakahiga kayo pareho dito sa harapan ko. Wait lang ah. Yeah. Dalawa sila doon sa may crate. Dalawa ba sila sa crate? Isa lang yata yan nandito sa harap. I killed one. Oh, I killed two! Bro! Oh, dalian nyo. Bro. Yeah, iyo ka. Bro, loaded sila, promise. Hindi ako yan, hindi ako yan. Wait, nandito ako sa harap pa. Sige. Pinakaharap mismo. Yung may sakayan. Hindi. Puta. Ako'y lumalangoy. Wait. Mimi. I'm ditching. Doon na tayo magkita-kita sa bahay siguro. Hindi na ako nagpaka-greedy. Woo! Ah! Ah! Tangina. Ah! Yung puso ko. Yeah! Tingnan mo yung box. Tingnan mo yung box. Tako. Tingnan mo yung box. 'Di ba? Hindi ka ba manginginig niyan, pre? Sige, expand ako. Pasar ako. Lota ako. Dami yan. Mamatay ka tako. Kaya mag-drive. Ako naka-HLMG. Let's go. Nasaan na si Master DX na eh. Na-trap sa labas. Ipit yung mag-i-spawn dito, may ipit. May shooting floor agad, pambira. Tapos bigla tayo ni raid, no? Ha? Baka tamaan natin yan. Gumagalaw tayo, gumagalaw din sila. Ubus lang bala natin dyan. Patay tayo, maunahan tayo nito. Sige lang. I-recta mo na agad sa dock. Makakya tayo. Nagki-clear siya sa taas eh. Mag-vents kayo. Nasa 3rd floor na ako. Crouching yun yung AK. Mission ako nasa helipad siya. Kaya may pick. Twice. Venting ulit ako. Utang ina, scientist siya. Sige. Isipin niya namatay, no? Nawalan ako ng visual sa helipad. Kaya nandun pa rin siya. Ay, muntik na ako dun. Try ko mag-rotate. Hindi. Baba ako ng L4. Rotating ako. Putang ina, scientist talaga. Putang ina talaga yung scientist. Dali ako. Pang ina yung scientist. It's all you. Kaya mo yan, Dane. Hangar 1, 2, 3. Baka nagre-recycle doon. Dito yung direction eh. Red card o papatayin to? Nasa train yata. Pumasok yata siya sa may. Dito sa may sakin. Headshot? Hindi. Headshot once ko lang. Once? Headshot? Down. He's dead. Ang galing! Kaya lang parating yung heli. Ayan, mamamatay tayo lahat dito. Ayun na, ayos na. Hindi tayo inatake. Sige, lagay mo na yung green. Ay, yung fuse. Let's go! Takbo agad! Baba! Baba! Dito nalita ako! Palita ako! Nalita ako! Oh. Swipe. I have the red. Wait. Kukunin namin. Yun nga. Yun, Gagi, pabaliktad tayo. Lo, ano to? Nakaangat ka? Ako? May wood ka dyan din. May wood ka? May low grade test dito sa harap natin ah. Let's go. Nice lang. Let's go oil. We are oilers, bro. We are oilers. Go there? Cargo? Buddy?
Me? Sure, sure, why not?
Should I play grub?
I'll bring the solo. No,
I'm
no, no, no,
coming.
no. Stop. I'm dead.
You're AK?
AK guys, AK guys.
It's AK. I didn't know. Ah, fuck me. I'm
Just
good,
come
man.
back. I'm gonna try to kill him.
I thought
You need
I
kids,
thought
there's
that was
AKs and lockers.
one of us.
No, no.
Yeah.
Holy shit, I
You
got down.
guys,
I fell
you guys
down.
can kill him.
Yeah,
Let's see.
it's
You guys
low.
can kill him.
It's very low. I tagged him thrice, I think.
Hailey, wag mong full W ha.
I hope I get up, please.
I was swimming, man. Fuck. I was unlucky.
I fucking died.
It's okay.
Just come
I
back,
don't think
just
you
come
can
back.
see my mark. Okay. It's on the other side of harbor.
Dead.
I was swimming.
No, 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 no.
Oh no, one more. One more. One more.
Oh.
Other side.
Last location, where? Do you know?
Other side.
Other side is like at N2.
He just crossed.
Oh, he shouldn't be. He's
have
in
no
front of me
vision.
right now. I'm down.
Headshot. This one.
He's low. He's heaving right now.
Yeah.
He's still behind that thing. Then if you can come to me, there's a gun there.
It's a
that you
fucking
can get
naked.
custom.
Gonna make him
Fucking
run out
naked.
of bullets.
Oh, he got the custom.
Holy sh-
There's another guy here with custom now.
Where?
Like,
Cannot hit him.
on my body right now.
Where? Cannot hit the guy.
there's a naked on your left. Coyote.
Mhm.
He has the fucking
Custom.
SMG.
What's it?
I'm looking. Trying to find him.
Naked in front of you. Coyote.
I
Nice.
died. He died.
Oh man.
Can you kill him?
I'll
kill
try.
him? Alright. Where's that? Fucking AK?
I'm back with the.
And Haz is trying to push the other side. He's flanking on the the hangar. I'll try to flank the
Yeah,
Hazy.
try and get my body.
Trying to flank the custom guy.
Yeah, getting shot with a custom guy. Dead custom guy.
Somebody got my zombie. Holy shit! AK on me.
Wait,
AK guy on me.
where?
His name was Luna.
Yeah, the guy that killed me on the water. He got me killed.
He's trying to kill me.
Just careful. They might fly. It's okay. Coming. Is the AK guy still there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's at the top.
I see him.
He's at the top, other side.
They just get like a
Hit twice, hit twice.
Don't
Right?
try to
get a kill.
push him. Don't try to push him.
Yeah.
You're just gonna use to die. Let him. We're gonna all meet in the cargo. So. Cargo's coming. Try to get closer, Ellie.
I am.
I'm boarding the container. For now, I'm okay.
I got
Not this.
looted.
Oh, someone's swimming!
I really wanna kill him. Fuck. Oh, he's gonna. He's just right here. I can hear him. Oh, he's getting shot by AK.
Fuck you, Yuchiro!
Oh no.
Namo, Yuchiro!
Someone's
Yeah,
outside!
Yuchiro, bear meat ko!
Wait, Ellie. Someone's outside our crate. Hey, it's getting pink.
Oh, it's
Oh.
right here.
Outside. Two of
my
them,
God.
Where is he?
like in front of the crate.
I got a fucking kit. Like a full kit.
Wait,
BT kill ah.
Okay, mas. I mean, then just get the full kit and maybe go back if you want to.
Yeah. Lots of mess.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Yeah, just. We're on the cargo. We are on the cargo. We can
Yeah.
literally open right now.
Should
Okay,
we go
okay,
here?
Ellie.
Backside? 260?
Oh no. Then it's
Oh
down.
my god. Yeah, he got me. I got lots of
Ah,
kits.
nice.
I can kill one here, Hank. I think. The AK kid is on, like, here.
I should have run,
Okay, okay.
bro.
I go left, you go right.
Should we?
How about that?
On 3,
I don't know. 3,
2, 1.
go.
I have no visual. We're at the fucking top.
He's on captain deck, like on top.
I cannot. We're right here. Let's see.
No, he's down.
You
He's
died?
down. But I'm also down. He's down the top.
Come.
Shit.
I cannot. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna jump.
It's okay. Yeah, you have to. They saw you already. But I downed the full kit on the top. Ah, come on. They're outside. Then if you can go to cargo.
I'm
go
going
to the-
below.
Okay.
Killed one. What the fuck?
What?
I whiffed. I thought I killed him.
Oh, the captain deck is alive. He got picked up. There's 2 of them now. Full kit.
Yeah. Trying to meds. Wait. Trying
They're
to
not
heal.
leaving yet, so yeah. Oh, 2 pushing.
Yeah.
I don't know where they go. They're below now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, 1 full kit is gonna go. One has it. 2. 1 full
What
kit,
the
one has
fuck?
it.
I killed one! There's 2! Wah! I
Yeah.
killed one, the one AK! We go back. We go back.
No, I haven't.
I got a free star and stuff. Look.
Nice, okay. I'm coming.
Wait, I'm gonna wait for you.
Yeah, HLMG. It's gonna be hard to get lows.
Kayate. Come
Huh?
get this.
Wait, I'm still far.
Okay. Top of
Wait.
color?
Cargo.
Cargo.
Top of captains.
Yeah, I see him. I think he saw me too.
Dead captains.
Yes. There.
There's there's probably like 4 more.
Just one more. Captain.
One more?
Yeah, one
Okay.
more, captains.
No, below is like last time.
Red was moving.
Moving, it's moving, it's moving.
Oh no.
Oh
Holy
shit.
shit.
That's so sad.
Why are they not leaving then? Bro, I think you should wait for them to. I think they should do the final for it.
I remember there was a water. We didn't get
Bro, that guy is lit. Someone swimming.
Me. I'm swimming.
I don't know if I can get to cargo.
Yo.
Nah, I don't think so.
I'm here outside.
Pick up muna tayo. Ay, ano, picture muna.
Dito na mi.
Pasok may isa. Nasa labas si isa.
Picture.
Okay, okay. For the video, pakita niyo muna. Mag-introduce ka muna. Anong pangalan mo?
Ano ba?
Anong imong name?
Tadaan! Ang pangalan mo, introduce mo yung sarili mo.
My name is Packing Bobby. Bobby the Farm Bot.
Okay. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo?
It's me. Tako.
Taco, yummy.
Ayan.
At ikaw, anong pangalan mo?
Ako si Ellie. Taga loko-loko based.
At ano ang pangalan ng team natin?
Straightforward person.
Ay!
Tara.
Let's go straightforward persons.
Dedicated persons.
Dedicated.
Dedicated.
Straightforward yung nakalagay.
Oo, yun na din yun.
Yun na rin ba yun? Ano ba tayo? Kaliwa kanan? Raid natin.
Kanan na. Ay, saan ba?
Kanan?
Hindi ko na
Yung mas
nilagay.
malaki?
Mag-build tayo sa gitna. Mag-build tayo sa gitna ng ano.
O tragis,
base.
nilalagay
Para
pa naman
pagka-
tayo ng wall.
Para pagkatapos nung isa, yung isa naman.
Eh, isa lang yung turret natin.
Yeah.
May
Wala
dala kang
yan.
box, Bobby. Lalagyan
Ay,
ng
wala.
extra.
Wala akong dalang box.
Bruh.
Nakalimutan ko
Makaka-craft
yung
naman
balik
tayo,
ako.
makaka-craft tayo. May dala akong metal.
Kahit ano ba re-ready natin eh.
Walang bed.
Wag na lang.
Turret body. Sarap ba o sa likod?
Tara, simulan na natin tako.
Tara.
Ano na kayo?
Hindi, paglalagyan lang ng loot bago transfer.
Meron na. Wait.
Na-headshot ko siya.
Wala na ata to. May ladder ba kayo?
May tao sa
Wala daw
kanan
kayo.
ng base. Tao sa kanan.
Ay, ako.
Full kit.
Bobby, press mo ako dito sa loob.
Dead
Kaya
ako.
Pares
I'm
ako
dead.
sa loob.
I am down. I'm down. Dito siya may turret na lit siya. Bukas yung pinto natin. Malulot. Mapapasok. Meron tayong second floor.
Yung rocket pre, nandun pa sa raid.
Nasaan yung
Nasa
rocket?
raid base. Nasa raid base pa pre.
Okay. Take time.
I'm dead.
Kunti.
Dapat tayo.
Naklose yung door pero.
Hindi naman sila makakapasok, diba? Nasa raid base.
But-
Nasaan yung bolt eh?
Nasa loob
Pero
ng-
nasa kanila yung rocket.
Lahat ba nila?
Wala yung bolt eh.
Oo. Naka-Fabi yung
Mga
iba.
yung alin?
Iba rocket.
Oh.
Nasa loob?
Meron nandun sa raid.
Okay na kayo.
Dead one, dead one. Low na isa, low na isa.
Fucking terrain.
Dead one. Sir, keep coming back, bro.
Yeah.
It's a lot of
Malapit
kids.
lang
We
yata
can
sila.
kill. Someone's
beam a lot.
flanking on the right. Are you guys all dead?
I killed two. I
Flanking
killed.
wide left, wide left. Wide left.
I killed three.
Focus guys, focus. We got this.
He's here on my phone. One dead.
May nakasar sa malayo.
Yeah.
Dala ka NVG. May nakasuppress. Kaya ito may nakasuppress, ingat.
Yeah.
I'm flanking. Sleeping
Tao,
on
ingat,
their
ah.
everywhere.
Ako ingat
Yeah.
ano, nakasuppress na SAR.
Are they just holding?
I think so.
Yeah, open na yung ano. Raid base.
Patrol heli ah.
Green kits here on my front. But as soon as I peek, someone will
Kailangan lang natin
One
mapatay
dead
yung
again?
isang white.
wait it.
One hit dun sa ano, sa walls
Wait.
and isa dun sa harap ng raid base.
Wait. Patay ko isa sa raid base.
Okay, that's nice. Isa na nasa walls, dun sa maraming walls, sa likod na raid base.
Okay.
Ano yung problem natin?
May binabaril dito.
Nag-hold siya.
Yeah,
Na-hold
them.
siya.
Ang alam ko wounded yung ano, meaning na down siya.
Dito may kit sa akin. May nakuha akong kit.
Just di po muna din. Kapag
Hindi, ano lang.
I'm dead,
Ah, sa akin,
bro.
May kit.
yeah, we need the rockets. Ikat that.
Baka nakuha na nila, baka napunta.
They raid.
May mga nasa likod ng base na ni-raid natin, ha? More sa forest.
Counters
din.
are being
Mga-
countered. You're trying to
They're
seal.
ano. Siya na yung malapit kayo, take the hill.
Yeah.
Behind you.
Kaya palapit ako sa inyo, ha?
Coyote,
Maghanap ako
you
ng
there?
kits.
Oh fuck, they sealed.
Coyote, I'm outside.
Oh.
Yeah, ano yun?
Did you bring all the booms?
Not all.
Balik ako naka-circuit per full.
Loot, can you loot Ellie? I'm trying to hold here. How many booms do we
Oh.
have there? That they took.
Guys, I got the booms. Can you protect me?
Yeah, I'm here. Just go back.
I have,
Here.
no. 7 rockets. Yeah,
Oh, GG.
careful buddy.
TV.
Yeah, my sludge.
Weapons coming.
Kita ako.
Careful dito kasi baka binag-aabot dito. They might know our base.
I mean, they sealed themselves. I'm not gonna let them go out.
Yeah.
Balik tayo. Go back.
Do we have still booms?
I
ba
How many
lahat ng
bombs
dinala niyo?
did they took?
I think parang ano lang, parang tatlo na lang yung natira dun sa akin.
Okay lang.
Ako ay...
HQM sila eh. Just come here. Everyone.
Left coming.
I have... You guys need to hold for me. I need to depot.
Sige, sige. Sensya na Ellie kanina. Kala ko
Fine.
naked, hindi kasi nag-pop up yung ano eh.
It's fine, shit happens.
Uy, flashlight bud. May mga
Come here.
flashlight.
Come towards me.
Right?
Fuck!
You dead? Tama
What?
na.
Triple head ako?
Try kayo, Ote. Got all the loot.
Triple head ako.
Someone raiding the
Map
fort.
ba ako? Map ba ako Ellie?
I need to fall back. Bro!
Ito po yun.
Once.
Nainis na ako.
Someone outside the bridge.
Bolty, wala tayong bolty.
Someone outside the bridge. Statue kayo.
I'm the AK guy outside. Nakapanghinayang naman yun.
Hirap. Push back up. Lit one.
Hit once din yung ito.
Push kaya.
Ooh, hit once. Headshot siya.
I think they're pushing me kayo. Ote.
Trying to push me.
Maybe. Dami sa taas, pre. Tatlo.
Bro, meron dun sa kabilang bahay. Wala yung bolty natin ah. Wala kanina. Makawa ko lang yun.
Yun pa ba sila? Wala na.
I have no idea. I think they ran.
Look at the chat.
Good fight na sila eh.
Yeah, they're with me. One. They're pushing me. They're all pushing me.
Dahil natin.
They're all pushing me, by the way. And I need to play this smart. Yeah.
Naka-silence pa dyan?
Mhm.
Oh my god, look at them. 4.
Yeah, and the other
Okay.
side, on the other side. It's on the
Why?
other side, on our base.
5 people.
They're
pushing.
Careful guys, they're pushing.
Can someone like go above me? Kill the guy above me?
Where?
Above me, above me.
Careful, they're pushing.
Everyone.
I'm coming with you.
Can someone go towards me?
They're pushing you, Coyote.
Yeah, in front of me.
There's five.
Dami.
My God.
Are they still above me?
Wala na
No,
yata.
no. I don't know if they're flanking.
Saan kaya base nila? Yun yung mas magandang air rate ah.
I think they ran.
Yeah, they're...
Ito, tong stone na to, raid din natin to. Ito yung kupal natin.